Good morning, this is Jason with Howdy Honda. We've got the 2013 Chevy Silverado, 160,000 miles, extended cab. So it's got a little bit of longer bed so you can actually use it. It is the LT package with the towing. It does have a nice bed liner in there, keep everything nice and clean in the back. As you come around, you can see the outside of this thing is in excellent shape. Inside as well, it is the black interior, all power windows, power seat, Bluetooth, your cruise control, your dual climate control, everything right there for you. Back seat, still tons of space. Like I said, this is 2013 Chevy Silverado LT, 160,000 miles, but in excellent condition. Any questions you have, anything I can do, please let me know. Man, that sun is bright this morning, kind of blocking it out there, but you can see it is in great shape. So any questions, anything at all you have, just let me know. I'm here for you. I'd be glad to help you out. Jason with Howdy Honda.